going to find some fishy stuff and hunting and fishing. Let's go.
Guys, we're in the store. Let's go.
I found the gun aisle. We're going in the gun aisle. Oh, I'm about to be cooked. So we're going in the gun aisle. Yo, gang. I know I shouldn't be in here, but wait, am I allowed? No.
We found the fish.
Finally. Found the bluer aisle. I don't know. I don't know what to get. Going fishing, let's go. Galan just caught this massive fish. How do you feel, Galan?
Really happy.
Bro, you also, Galan reeled that in at lightning speed. Look at that, that's a good one. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god.
Why is he? Guys, caught this. Oh, I farted. What? Who said that? No, I didn't. I'm gonna release it. Yeah. Oh, he's cooked. Yep. Bye. Can you shut up? I'm trying. How about you fall into the water recording sunset? We didn't catch anything else, but we did catch a couple of good herrings and some bait, and yeah. Yeah, I thank the universe. I thank, everything for that. Thank the universe for letting me have moments like this. Yay.